Serial and batch numbers provide companies with the ability to trace their products through AX. The numbers are used for tracing purposes, quality assurance, and warranties. Traceability is useful for quality assurance purposes and when you deal with warranties for a product. The tracing functionality is especially important for products that represent a certain risk, such as medicine or chemicals, where defects in production could lead to the product's recall. It is equally important for guaranteed items to be able to trace back to the date that the product was manufactured or sold. Serial and batch numbers allow for this kind of functionality. You can assign serial numbers, batch numbers, or both to any inventory product. Typically, serial numbers are enabled to be unique to one inventory unit for each item, while batch numbers are usually assigned to multiple on-hand inventory quantities. It is important to note that in some industries, a batch number is referred to as a lot or lot ID. In AX, a lot ID refers to a transaction. It is a unique number that is assigned to every inventory transaction in the system automatically. Lot IDs are mandatory, however, batch and serial numbers are optional dimensions. Let's review the objectives for this module. We'll set up a tracking dimension group to allow for serial and batch number allocation. We'll allocate serial and batch numbers manually to a product. We'll set up a product to automatically have a batch and serial number allocated. We'll use a transfer journal to edit serial and batch numbers. And finally, we'll use the trace inventory dimension function to track a product's inventory dimensions. Let's get started with the tracking dimension groups.